Welcome to this short presentation about Impact Mailing Club, a direct mailing opportunity work from home available to all of those who are in the United States and Canada. What is Impact Mailing Club? Impact Mailing Club is a direct mailing business opportunity where you can have the opportunity to earn a full-time income from home. When you decide to become a member of Impact Mailing Club, you will receive the reseller rights at whatever level you decide to join at. How does this direct mailing business opportunity work? When you decide to become a member of the Impact Mailing Club, the company will provide you with high-quality mailing leads, training, resources, cover letter, PDF, and hard copy of your personalized order form. Whenever any of the mailing leads decides to become a member, you will receive a cash commission and stamps directly from the referral. This is a member-to-member program. This opportunity is perfect for students, retirees, veterans, stay-at-home parents, those looking for additional income, those looking to replace their income, and just about anyone. When you become a member, you will receive a welcome package and guide by mail, exclusive mailing community on Facebook, exclusive invites to exciting company events around the US, 5-star customer service support, unlimited opportunity for growth and income, peel and stick labels, support team assistance, fast and reliable delivery times with tracking numbers, exclusive member discounts, and you will be able to purchase additional mailing leads. These are the Impact Mailing Club membership plans. As a Diamond member, you will receive $1,000 for each person that joins at this level. The cost is $2,000 plus 5 books of stamps. As a Sapphire member, you will receive $300 for each referral plus 4 books of stamps. The cost is $500. At the Ruby level, you will receive $150 for each referral plus 4 books of stamps, and the cost is $250. And at the Emerald level, you will receive $65 for each referral plus 2 books of stamps, and the cost is $100. Not only that, as being a part of our team, you will also receive additional bonuses. Make sure to get back to whoever sent you their link or PDF for the Impact Mailing Club. And also make sure to click on the next link to check out our team bonuses that are available for you. Thanks so much for viewing this video, and have a great day.